If you want to learn how to make reusable button in Figma like this, watch this video. Let's create our button. Press F to create a frame. This is actually big. I'm just like doing this to show you how we can make the reusable button. Let's add a color. Let's resize our text. Let's make it bigger. Okay, this is our button. Now let's copy this, press Alt and drag this. Now if we change the size or any of the properties of the original one, it wouldn't affect the instance. So how we can make it like a reusable, and so we can have one original one and we can change the instances whenever if we need to. Let's delete the copy. So click on your button and right click, and make sure you have right clicked on the frame or the entire button, and click on create component. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl Alt K. So now as you can see, there is a diamond icon here. So now it's a component. If we take an instance from it or copy, now if we change the original one, for example the background color, it will directly affect the instances of this button. This is the original one. These are the instances or copies. See, it's directly affecting that. We can also like change the text size here. See, any change to any of the properties in the original button directly will affect all the instances until you change any of the properties in those instances. For example, if I change this background color from the instance, after this, even if I change the background color of the original button, it won't affect the instance because we individually customize the background color of that instance. If you want to learn more about UI and UX, don't forget to subscribe to Barkup.